You see all these bright colors behind me. What's going on here? We have that area of high pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere pushing all that drier air into our region. And although it's not making its way down to the ground completely, meaning that we still have some showers at the surface, not right now, but throughout the day, that's been the trend. This drier air has been nice, lowering that rain coverage. And today we had lower humidity as well. Unfortunately, that humidity is going to creep up and up as we finish off the week. And some of that, yes, does have to do with the tropics, which we're going to get to in a few minutes here. But we have a little outflow boundary. That's the remnants of the rain that we had left over for today. Again, it wasn't a washout by any means. Most of us sat pretty dry for today, but we still have those showers that are moving offshore, pretty much drying out from now on forward into the overnight hours. Nice northeast winds. That's helping us out with that drier air. Tomorrow, rain coverage looks even lower. Walking through Futurecast here, you can see around 3:30, we may be able to squeeze out another shower or two, maybe a brief downpour, but then we pretty much wrap all that up as we move into the evening hours. It pushes off to the coast and we're done with it from there. Tomorrow we have that big game, the Broncos versus the Bucks, and the Bucks will be burning up. It's going to be pretty toasty for tomorrow, our first day of fall. That's right. It's the autumn equinox, and basically what's happening here is we're transitioning from summer to fall in the northern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, it's a little bit different, right? So it all depends on the Earth's tilt and the way that we're tilted towards the sun, and we have equal day, equal night. Comes from Latin word equinox, meaning equal day, equal night. So the more you know, right? All right, into the tropics right now. Here's that system that we have been keeping our eye on, and a lot of you have been asking what's going on with this. Well, we do see more colors down here showing that we have those storms that are flaring up, but we don't have the storms that are organized quite yet. We need that broad area low pressure to form. Also, you'll notice something different here. This area that just came off the coast of Africa, or trying to, these little seedlings, that also has a 40% chance of development. But we're not going to worry about these two systems because this one is a little bit closer to home, and you see that area in red there, meaning that in the next several days, we are expecting this to form into that broad area low pressure. And after that, we're going to start tracking this more and more. Now, I will say that the models have been in better agreement in the last 24 hours. This is just the GFS model, and yes, it does have it moving towards the panhandle as we move into next Friday. But you can't live and die by these models. You have to wait for that circulation to form. Here's another look at other models. The GFS is included in there. That's the one we just looked at. But then we also have the Euro, Canadian, and yes, the German model. And they all want to take it a little bit slightly out to the west compared to the GFS, the American model. So what this is just these models trying to get together. But unfortunately, until we get that circulation, it's going to be hard to do. 7-day forecast here. Again, we have the Bucks game, fall equinox tomorrow. Rain chances remain pretty low up until the end of the week next week, and that's that tropical moisture building in. Just stay tuned and we'll walk you through the forecast day by day.